We're at the Coral Sands in Cocoa Beach today. Wait till you see this place. I'll take you to the outside first. We're in the front. Let's go look at this oceanfront condo. So this is pretty cool. This is a 1,800 square feet. Pretty much on the first floor as you go up. And they are raising a family here. Tile floors. This thing's been totally redone. Absolutely gorgeous. My wave tiles, they're like my favorite. You can't even find them anymore. I missed the boat. I'm gonna have to do shellac instead.
We also have our bubble closing unit, which is, don't you predominantly do beachside stuff?
No.
Oh, all over?
Yeah, mostly beachside, but BDRM.
Okay. Yeah, we call it, I always call it, our sprightly little office, our meal. So we'll go anywhere, like if the clients here want to come over here.
And there it is. Hurricane blast here. Let's go outside. There's a lot more beach in Cocoa Beach. I know how that probably sounds. It's a pretty area if you have a dog and you have to take your dog out. These doors look new from the inside. They probably are. That's what the beach will do. Slow down a little bit. This is a great size master. So as you can see, this thing's been totally redone. Okay, I'll put some information below, and I'm also going to have some beach scenes for you.